Hello YouTube, this is Don for DaretoBeCreative, and I am here this morning just to show you a little haul from online from scrapbook.com. And if you know me, been following me for a long time, you know that I am a big jewelry nutting lover. I love the stamps. I just love playing paper piecing. I love fussy cutting, and I just love playing with paper dolls. So I wanted to finish out my collection, and yeah, I have pretty much every single one now. I have all of them that I wanted. So my collection for me is complete unless she comes out with a new line. But I was excited to finish this off. I haven't worn in Willow since the beginning of the year, and it finally was back in. And so she finished out with my new girl, so I went on and got Willow, and it's a 7-piece set. And this is the boho girl. You got a butterfly, and you got feathers. You can wear it with the jacket or without a jacket. So there are the stamp images right there. And then Rosie, and Rosie came with the die. Typically I don't get the dies because I fussy cut everything, but she came with the die because I didn't find her without the die. But anyway, so got that, so we'll make it easier to have that. But she also came with the purses and the heart. Well, yeah. I hope they in there. I don't see them. Wait a minute. Let me make sure. Now they're down below. Oh, it looks like it may be. Okay, they're in there because I'm like, wait a minute, I don't see them. Okay, so she comes with all of that. So 2 different purses, which is nice, which I can also use. That looks like, I know I have one that has that shape. I don't have a purse that shape, but that'd be cool to use with the other dolls as well. So that would be very functional. But anyway, so that's her. That's Miss Rosie. So you get 4 dies and a stamp. And then I got Bree, and this is 13-piece. So, and these are clear stamps. But I wanted this because, you know, this is about spa. Like, I do massage therapy, so I also thought this was pretty cool. So I like to do a spa day one. So you've got, everything kind of matches up. You got the girl, you got the cup, you got the heart, you even got a robe one. And then you got the mirror, and it also says hello beautiful and relax. So I have been waiting. I've been wanting her for a while. I've just been waiting until Willow came in so I can get them all at the same time. So really excited to have that. And like I said, I feel like my whole collection right now is complete until she comes out with another one to mess me up. And then I got to go back and get some more. But I enjoy playing with them. And if you watch my channel, I've done a couple collabs. Doing one right now. And I have an art journal in addition to the collab that I am working on and almost finished. So I'm so excited. I think I got like 10 pages left out of my 50-page journal, and I will be done. So that doesn't include all the other projects that I've done with, you know, jewelry nutting, but just the art journal. So I'm excited that that's almost done. But anyway, I did it over here. The other thing was I forgot I had this in my cart. But it was, and I had ordered this before, and this was by Photoplay. And I've shown this before. These are just some cut aparts that you can use to make cards, iCads, ATCs, whatever, something fun out of it. I had too much scrapbook paper, said no one ever. I'm a scrapbook addict, currently in a 12 by 12 step program. I am creative. You can't expect me to be neat too. Amen. I scrapbook, therefore I am broke. What happens at the crop stays at the crop. I'm scrappy and I know it. You had me at paper, fun with the girls. In my defense, I was left unsupervised while the scrapbook store was still open. It's not a mistake. It's an opportunity to embellish. I only scrapbook on days that end with Y. Love every single one of those sentiments. So I had 2 of those. I really should have got more, but. And then I had this one. I bought this one before. Again, I must have left this in my cart because this is what I ordered the last time. Was 2 and 2, and I didn't even pay attention. Anyway, and this one says, "You can always trust me. Not alone in the scrapbook store, but other than that, I'd rather be scrapbooking. I have too much scrapbook paper. Said no one ever. Crafting is best medicine. Maybe craft supplies are addicted to me. Scrapper's gonna scrap. I was crafty when crafty wasn't cool. If all else fails, add another embellishment. You don't have to be crazy to be my friend. I'll train you. Real life is starting to interfere with my scrappy time. Relax. We are all crazy, and it's not a competition. Scrapbooking is cheaper than therapy. I scrap so hard I sweat glitter. My crafty room isn't messy. I just have everything on display. We'll work for scrapbook paper. I'm especially distracted by pretty paper. Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy scrapbook stuff. And that's kind of the same thing. What happens at the crop stays at the crop. Don't go to bed angry. Stay up late and scrapbook. If only scrapbooking burn calories. Stamping is the answer. I don't care what the question is. Nothing haunts you like the paper you didn't buy. Crafting makes everything better. Even Mondays. If it's not in the scrapbook, it didn't happen. Maybe scrapbooking will help. I had no idea that one tiny rubber stamp purchase would lead to this. More cropping, less mopping. I am a scrapbook addict currently in a 12 by 12 step program. Scrapping till the break of dawn. Gotta like that because my name in it. Talk crafty to me. And I've used this before, and I actually did some videos when I was making memory deck cards, and I used these in it. But anyway, so I just thought it was fun. Accidentally got that again. And then another nice one was my girl, Lisa. Hey, little Miss Scrappy. She was the one who hit me back to saying, Dawn, they got Willow in. So we both jumped up there and ordered it again. But she was like, don't forget to get your free magazine. And I was like, huh? So again, they have the special the other day. And it was a nice free, you got to click on it to get it, but a free magazine when you order. So go up there when you order from scrapbook.com and you're looking for your coupons. Look up in there and you can click to get a free magazine. So a lot of inspirational stuff in there, scrapbook layouts, you know, how-tos. So I was like, yeah, you know, these magazines, you know, they're selling $15, $20. So to get it for free, seriously. Yep, so that was a nice one. This was summer 2020. So it's not even an old magazine. This is a current one. This is a current magazine. So, you know, it talks about the resin in here, you know. So I need to pull my resin out. But, just all the different stuff. So, pretty cool. So that is my scrapbook.com haul. Wrapping up with some jewelry netting. So I'm really happy. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And check out the jewelry netting collab that we post the first Saturday of the month. And play along. We're giving away surprises and giveaways. And I know I'm having some on my channel for somebody to watch doing all of them through the year. So anyway, take care. God bless. And